up, beautiful people? Thank you for tuning back into my channel. If you're new, welcome. It's all love, peace, and positivity over here. And if you are a returning watcher, welcome back. So in today's video, as you can already see, as you've already read the title, I am going to be showing you guys how I install one of my old wigs. Now, in my last upload, in Vlogmas Day 6, I believe. No, in Vlogmas Day 7 actually, yeah. So in Vlogmas Day 7, I also included some clips on how I removed the glue from my wigs. Now, this is the exact same wig where I removed the glue from. Now, it's time for me to install. One thing I like to do is to make sure that I get either a black eyeliner or any kind of lip pencil, eyeliner pencil. This time I'm using white just to draw an outline to see where I want the lace to lay on my head. I think this is really important, and it also helps you a lot because when you start to put the glue on your forehead, you don't want to put too much glue, and then by the time you put the wig on, it's like, damn, there's glue on my forehead. Like, there's gonna be gaps of where there's glue and no lace to cover it. Or you might have to pull the lace and stretch the lace so far up ahead on your forehead. That's not cute. It gives you a headache, and you're gonna tear the lace, you're gonna tear the wig. And it's just not, that's just not what we gotta do. This video is gonna show you the full process on how I apply the glue on my bald cap method, how I apply the lace on top of the glue, how I secure it, how I do my baby hairs also. I did not style this wig. This was just a wig I wanted to throw on, honestly. I took off the pink bangs and I just wanted something subtle, something natural-y until I figured out what I want to do next with my hair. This video is very self-explanatory. You just gotta watch it. There really is no reason for me to annoy you guys with my voice over. Honestly, I started editing this video and I was like, damn, I'm gonna have to record a voiceover. Voiceovers are not, I don't want to say they're not fun. Well, they're kind of not fun because it's just another thing that you have to edit. But that's exactly what it is. Another thing that I have to edit. I could have uploaded this video already, but I was like, no. I am going to give you guys a voiceover. I am going to make this video sound and look as professional as I can make it look and sound. And I want to put out good content, you know. I really challenged myself doing Vlogmas this year. And even though I am a few days behind, the fact that I am still being active and wanting to record, wanting to edit, wanting to promote myself, which is one of the biggest things that has honestly held me back from doing YouTube and Instagram and social media and any of those kind of things. You know, posting myself, do people really want to see it? Do people really care? And honestly, I've been getting so much support. I've been getting so many people that's telling me, oh my God, Rebecca, I am so proud of you. Like, I know you're doing this. You've been posting every day. Like, I was really on the train editing my vlog. I was in my Uber editing my vlog. I'll be in the car editing my vlog. Like, I take my laptop with me everywhere. And it's crazy because, yeah, I have a laptop, but I don't really take my laptop doesn't really leave my house, honestly. But now, everywhere that I go, you're gonna see a laptop in my hand because I need to edit my video. I need to make my thumbnail. I need to edit my description. I need to plan out what it is that I could record tomorrow. Because honestly, all the videos that I've been uploading and editing and recording and all of that stuff for Vlogmas has been whatever happened that day of. Like, I haven't really planned it out. I'm lying, actually. I actually made a list of all the videos that I wanted to record for Vlogmas. I made a list of 25 videos that I wanted to record, but life happened and I did not end up recording all of those videos. Now, I still have some time. I do plan on recording some of those videos, but I just need a break, honestly. I need a break. And I'm not saying I need a break from YouTube. I need a break from my real life. I just need to sit down and just dedicate basically a whole 24 hours into figuring out, okay, this is my YouTube channel. This is what I'm doing now. I need to plan and see what I'm going to do tomorrow, the next day. At least have things planned out 2 days in advance. So if I know that I want to record a video today, my goal is to make sure that video has been edited, uploaded, and ready to be, ready to go public. By doing this, I believe I will already have videos pre-recorded, pre-edited, ready to upload, not necessarily the day that I upload it, but whenever I want the video to go live. Like, you know, some days you just don't feel like recording. Some days you just don't feel like editing. And it's so nice when you already have a video on standby. You already have something to post on Instagram, on TikTok on standby. It feels so good because you can still live out your real life, do your day-to-day normal activities without having to stress so much on, oh my god, I want to do content but I don't know what to create. Oh my god, I know I need to post something but I don't know what I want to record. Now, that's enough of me blabbing. But yeah, like I said, this video is pretty self-explanatory. Like I normally do, I'm gonna put on some good music, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, thank you for tuning in to Vlogmas with Bex. And I hope you guys are enjoying. I hope you guys stay for the ride, and I hope you guys stay for what's in store for the future. Yeah, what's in store for the future. I hope you guys are gonna enjoy. Peace and blessings.
You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home.
I'm drank up and I'm banked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. I'm drank up and I'm banked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it, you elevate it.
I came over, I ain't sober, I'm still drunk, that's hangover. Might run it back when this page over. You the best thing, I done slaved over. Gon' arch you back and been way over. It's overdue for that understressing. Over him, now you underdressing. Call me up and I come finessing. Like, ooh, we shot it, what it do, what it don't. Baby, you a queen, you can move how you want. You was rocking with me when I couldn't stay afloat. They ain't never saying nothing wavy to a boat. Like, eyes up, look at me, now I'm the captain. Brought the camera, time for action. Split the legs just like a fraction. Tuck the napkin, time for snacking. You a mother meal. Tell me that it's mine, baby, tell me that it's real. Hit it to the max, well, tell me how it feel. It's gonna be a minute, cause I'm in it for the thrill. Make her feel like heaven, she gon' put me in the wheel. And willingly, I wanna do anything she wanna do. I ain't even wanna boo, but this is what the karma do. It's hard to be apart from you, cause ooh, I
love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home.
I'm drank up and I'm danked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. I'm drank up and I'm danked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it, you elevate it, you.
ain't know me? Copy that. Oh, you don't like me? Copy that. I got your attention. Copy that. Not to mention, copy that.
I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this. In